Hi everyone, this is our new product loudspeaker, iSPM612 with Type-C plug for all cell phone. Now we're testing with Airbus Agnet Work, and it's plug and play. Now we plug it with Android cell phone. Now we can begin to test. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
We test again. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, now we test from the cell phone. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now we test again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, you can hear the audio is very loud and clear. That's it. Thank you for your watching.